I think there's three ways for an agent to make more money over the next 12 months. Number one is sell more homes, which requires, in many eyes, more work, but that's not necessarily the case. If they increase their conversion by using better marketing and overcoming objections and articulating their message better. Number two is protect your fee and be more profitable and help the sellers net more money. But I think number three, which is the lowest hanging fruit for an agent to make more money over the next 12 months, is increase their average sale price. Increase their average sale price. I believe there's four primary price points in any market. You have entry-level homes, you have average priced homes, you have high-end homes, which I define as 2 times your average sale price, and you have luxury homes, which I define as 3 times the average sale price for that given market. So if an agent wants to add a couple more high-end luxury to their bucket, so to speak, to the homes they represent, they can increase their average sale price and work smarter, not harder.